Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you how to go behind the counter in LBSG. So first you're going to go to LBSG, and of course you need it. Let me sign in first. Good. And first step, you're going to need to go to the survival games and join any match if you can. Then once you're done, I'm just going to /hub, because if you don't, it won't work. Anyway, let's get to the main part. So we're gonna go Skywars. Then you'll see this cave where a lot of people are going. If you go to the survival games, it will give you the ability to break stuff. It's quite long. Just wait. Okay, so first, people. Anyway, so you're just gonna break something and hold this circle. And there you go. You have to move forward and break the next block in. So just do what I do now. You have to go to the cow and you should see this weird hum next to it. And you jump down. It won't die, you know. So weird. Anyways, then you're going up here because this is the counter. And then you're gonna break a block. They fall in. There you go. Right behind you.